Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make these beautiful flower earrings. First off, I'll flatten a piece of clay with a pasta machine or your roller pin. And then take out any extra clay from the surrounding. Then use a cookie cutter to cut the shape you want, or use a knife or a cutter to cut out the shape of the earring that you want. I'm going to cut out a rectangular form and then make an arc on the top. And then use a needle to cut out holes on top so that we can install the links between. Make two small balls with the palm of your hand from the same color clay or whatever color you want, and then shape them in the oval form, and then flatten the oval with your finger or on your working table. Then take out the tweezer or with your fingers and push the small tiny rhinestones that you have on the oval parts. Roll a piece of clay that you would like that your petals would be, and roll it into a long tube shape, and then cut it into equal pieces. Then flatten each piece with your fingers, and then push it a little bit on the oval clay so that two pieces stick together. Then take a piece of black clay to make the stem of the flower. And then put it on your earring. Take off any extra clay with the cutter. Then I use dry pastel, or you can use the eyeshadow if you have an eyeshadow on hand, and contour the tip of the petals. I'm just using the red color so that they pop out, and it just make them more beautiful. You can definitely do this step before putting the petals on the earring. Then flatten a piece of orange clay with a pin roller or the pasta machine, and use a cookie cutter or earring cutter to cut out the top pieces, and then make holes in the lower part with the needle. I use the same color pastel to just contour the edges of the upper part of the earring. Also, don't forget to make petals for the other earring as well. After that, you just have to make sure that it bakes properly as instructed on your clay package, and voila, you can just have this beautiful earring in no time.